Hi everyone, good day. Let me introduce myself. I am Angelo Locante from G2L. It, my topic is all about how we avoid overusing digital technology. Let's be honest, most of us are on our phones or device all day. It's how we chat, learn, and even relax. But sometimes we don't realize how much time we're actually spending online, and that can become a problem. Too much screen time can lead to stress, poor sleep, and we hurt our relationship. So how we avoid over using digital technology? Stop. First, pay attention to your habits. Are First, pay attention to your habits. Scrolling at late night or checking your phone the moment you wake up. Try setting limit or using up times. Even a small change like 30 minutes less per day make a difference. Next, try teach free times like no phones during meals or right before bed. Give your brain a break. Trust me, you'll sleep better and feel more focused. Also, fill that screen time with something fun or meaningful. Read a book or go outside, hang out with friends, or just take a quiet moment to relax. Life happens, so fill that screen time with something fun or meaningfully. Read a book, go outside, hang out with friends, or just take a quiet moment to relax. And the end, digital tools are helpful, but we should be the ones in control, not to the other way around. So let's use technology wisely and not let it us. Thank you for watching.